All right, I'm gonna do a short little video. People wanted to know what the noise level was and initializing the machine and everything. So it's just like the other one. We're gonna initialize the machine here. It's loud. When it moves in both directions, it's really loud. And when it moves, I call it the X direction. When it moves this direction, it's a lot louder than when it moves the Y direction. So, and just like every other one, it just initialized, and now it's going to come to the front and ask me for a bit, any bit. And I've already got the bit in there that I want to use. So I'll just hit resume. I gotta load the file in here. All right, done. Start the job. Hit start. So I've hit the start and it's thinking. It takes it this long to think. Okay, now it knows I want to put a bit in there. So now we should be good to go. As long as I don't pop a GFCI. I need to get rid of that GFCI. Alright, now we're running. Now I'm not even going to turn my dust collection on. I'll turn it on for a minute so you can hear it. But there's my dust collection. It just runs on a deal. But this is a small little name. So I've got Jocelyn written in the top of my golf putter here. So that's what it took. That's cutting on the shapeoko5. It's fast. It did a great job, and I still love this machine. This machine's a great machine. I just wish it wasn't so damn noisy. Anyway, that's a short little video for you on how it runs.